my experience, maybe 40% of the folks that I work with from a healthcare standpoint are really in a condition that I would say complies with the 3-2-1 rule. And just to kind of reiterate what the 3-2-1 rule is, that's 3 copies of your data, 2 different types of media, and at least one of those types of media being stored off-site. We do like to add some additional numbers on the end of that now, and maybe say 3-2-1-1-0. So that additional 1 being 1 copy of that data being immutable or air-gapped, and then the 0 being 0 errors. So what that means is that you are testing those backups, making sure that those can be recovered. It's critical to make sure that you have copies of that data and that it is either immutable or air-gapped. And Walter also mentioned the importance of being off-domain. That's something I talk to people about really on a daily basis. Is best practices, let's make sure all of these critical data protection components are off-domain. In a cyber attack, I'd say typically most of those are going for domain-based accounts. If all of your data protection is also based on those domain-based accounts, the chances of those being compromised are much greater than if those machines and those accounts are all off of domain. Also, just failing to test their plan. So most of the organizations that I talk to do have a quote-unquote DR plan in place, but as far as those that actually test that, I'd say that's probably closer to 10%. So lots of room there for improvement.